welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with SilynthiaC Budgets and blogs. I'll link a shop as well as our freebie for the month of December down below so you can grab it if you're interested. Also for the month of December, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels. I will link them as well. You guys, we're back to do another savings challenge cash stuffing. So I don't know if you know this or not, but my side hustle came through. Woo! So we're gonna see this cute couple savings challenge videos this week, which I'm grateful for. I am actually pre-recording. I mentioned it before, and this is where we're at. Savings challenges, we're working on them. I didn't get the change ahead of time, which I probably should have done before I pressed record, but we're just going to go through this binder here and see what we can do to make change. All right, so let's start with this one here because I believe this one has the most money. So we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 bucks. So let's take 15 and put this money back in here because then we can work on and this one we haven't started, and this savings challenge only has $4. Let's see, this one doesn't have enough, this one doesn't have enough, and do we have 5 bucks in this savings challenge? Looks like we do. How do we want to do this? Let's just do, yay! All right, 2, 4, 6. Okay, sorry about that. I was not prepared, but we should be now. Rear stuffing 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. $24 today. And should we do spicy? How are we going to do this? Okay, I think what we'll do is we will just work in 2 bills, whether it's a $1 or $2, whatever. Just do two bills, and then we'll go from there because $24 is quite a bit of money. However, I have a couple of savings challenges that have some larger saving amounts, so let's jump right in. Today I'm using my dice again. I had a really good time in the last video rolling the dice, so we're just gonna go for it again. 6. All right, 6. Let's see here. 1, 2. Uh-oh. 4. Rolled under there. Let's see. 6, 5, 4. Where's my spices? 2. 1, 2. Uh-oh, next one's a spicy. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. 1, 2. Ooh, another spicy. 2. All right. 1, 2. All right. 1. This one here. 6. 1, 2. I think 6 might be finished. 5. 1, 2. Okay. 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3. All right, and we just have one lucky dollar left. I don't know how we managed to do that, but it's done. I'm not even gonna lose sleep over it, you guys. So this was 6, and then we have 5. I felt like it should have been. Okay, I'm not even gonna worry about it. Not even gonna worry about it. We're not gonna do that today. We're going to. All right, first savings challenge is from Cash Money Budgets. We have $2 here we're adding today. And snag our marker. We have 1, 2. This one only needs $2 more, and then it's completed. These are all freebies, you guys. So I will link them down below, the ladies down below where I did get them from. So if you're interested in grabbing freebies, check out their shops. And they may have different savings challenges that are freebies now. I'm not certain, but at least you can go check them out. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, $10. All right, our next savings challenge is getting $2, $3, $4, $5. This New Year's Savings Challenge is from Save with Rose. And I said $5, right? I did. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay, we have an extra $1 here because this savings challenge is completed and we saved 2, 3, 4. Oh, try this again. 2, 4, 6, 7, $8 is what we saved in this savings challenge, Save with Rose. I'll set that off to the side there. We have $1 we got to work with. We'll see what we're going to do with that $1. All right, next up we have $1, $2, $3, $4 going into my holiday savings challenge. This savings challenge is actually from my shop with from SilynthiaC Budget Creations with Cassie. So let's add this $4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is what I was talking about when I was saying that some savings challenges are going to take me a little bit longer, which, you know, that's okay. That's okay. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Yay! Okay, so we're making progress here. And then we will move on to our next savings challenge, which is from Buttercup Budgets. Getting $2 here. Here. 1 and 2. Now this savings challenge I have 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. And next we have 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 going into our Happy Holidays Savings Challenge, which is the freebie for the month of December in our shop. So I think what we'll go ahead and do is mark off each circle. What did I say? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. $6. What's a good color? Let's just use black. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6. Yay! And this one is the one that's linked down below. If you're interested in grabbing it, feel free to do so. We try to do a freebie every single month, so you all can participate with us in doing these savings challenges. All right. Now, lastly, we have 2, 3, 4, $5 going into my Hot Cocoa Vibes. This savings challenge is from the Nightlife. I'll link her as well. Oh, we need 1, 2, 3. We only needed $4. Yay! 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we'll go ahead and take that one and set it there. And we will count up what we have in total now. 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, $20. $20! Yay! And we completed the savings challenge. This is what I was talking about. The bigger ones, the $20, $29, $33, those not, oh, they're so scary for me because I like to see the small wins and I like to see it happen quickly because I have goals that have to be met right away. But did you see that? Completed another savings challenge. Now we have $2 remaining. Should I roll the dice or should I just choose one? This one, I think I'll just choose this one. Only needs $2 more. It was meant to be. Okay, so Cash Money Budgets, we're going to go ahead and complete that one and put this $2 into this savings challenge. Yes. Okay, another savings challenge completed. So now in total, this savings challenge saved me $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11, $12. Perfect. So now we have 3 savings challenges we completed today. And so we need to grab our savings challenges. I mentioned before in one of my videos last week that I was trying to find savings challenges that were giving me really good vibes, positive vibes, but also inspiring me because I feel like with the 2024, you know, it got knocked down a couple times, but here we are. So let's throw into our rotation Brandy Janae. I want to feel like this pig. I can't express that enough. Look at this face. Don't you want to feel that good? That's how good I want to feel. Happy as a pig. So we're going to get her started next time we come together. And then I have this Zen Frog. Oh, isn't he so chill? He's so cute. From Savings with Tracy. I will link her as well. Once again, these are all freebies. And then let's see. I was trying to make sure that I have a mix. Let's see. Let's go ahead and add in from Neen's budget, Love and Light, right? Because why not? This one's going to be a while to save something, but that's okay. That's okay. We're just going to keep pushing, you guys, because that part's important. And I need to take this Christmas envelope out of here because we're not going to be working so much on Christmas savings challenges. So maybe I'll add in another envelope in the back, but in the meantime, in between time, I think what we'll do is just go ahead and put our savings challenges that we're going to add at a later date to the front of our binder so we know where they are. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for watching. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for coming back. Have a great day. Bye, guys.